wouldn't kill him because he looked as frightened as I was. I looked at him, and I saw myself. 300 years, and I'm the first Viking who wouldn't kill a dragon. But together, we can keep these dragons under control.
The line between good and evil is often unclear.
A chief protects his own.
I am the person I am today because of you.
What if Toothless ever misses me?
I'm sorry for everything.
Yeah, me too.
You don't have to go up there.
We're Vikings. It's an occupational hazard.
I'm proud to call you my son.
This is perfect. You see, most places have mice or mosquitoes. We have dragons.
Alexander Hamilton, America sings for you. Will they know what you overcame? Will they know you broke the game? The world will never be the same.
The ship is in the harbor now, see if you can spot him. Another reamer been coming up from the bottom. His enemies destroyed his men from America, forgot him. We fought with him. I died for him. I trusted him.
I love him.
And me, I'm the damn fool that shot him.
There's a million things I haven't done, just to obey.
What's your name, man?
Alexander Hamilton.
You never see them too long on the ground. You wanna be one of them. Yeah, you wanna be one of them. Yeah. Well now, Mr. Ranger, tell me where you're going. Tell us where you're headed.
Sorry, but I didn't mean it to come out that way.
The point is, stop trying so hard to be something you're not.
Hey, guys, walk that boy. I wouldn't kill him because he looked as frightened as I was. I looked at him, and I saw myself. 300 years, and I'm the first Viking who wouldn't kill a dragon. The ultimate prize is the dragon no one's ever seen. We call it the... I did it! Come on. Astrid? Toothless. Toothless? Astrid. We're dead. Whoa. Where do you think you're going?
I will never run. If you like your coffee hot, let me be your coffee pot. You call the shots, babe. I just wanna be yours. Secrets I have held in my heart are harder to hide than I thought. Maybe I just wanna be yours. I wanna be yours. I wanna be yours. Wanna be yours. Wanna be yours.
That's for everything else.
That's for what do you think? Probably something stupid. For once in your life, would you please just listen to me?
You throw your body with him. You're not a Viking. You're not my son.
Why don't you get it? Can't you get it? Understand? We're gonna execute the mother to elevate the man. I am not throwing away my shots. I am not throwing away my shots. They don't just like my country.
I am not throwing away my shots. Son, we are out there. We need all the help we can get. I have some friends, foreign, Spider-Man, Marky, the Lafayette. Okay, what else? Out there. We need some spies on the insides and Kingsmen who might get some things live. Go right to Congress and tell them we need supplies. We rally the guys, master the element of surprise. Go rise above my station, organize your information till we rise to the occasion of our new nation. So,
back to your place. Hey, your dragon just shot us. Yes, I know. I told him to.
But you know, there is something out there.
You don't know. I can't wait to get you all alone, all alone. Once I'm in there, ain't no letting go, letting go. Watch me turn your mind into my own, all alone.
He claimed he alone could control the dragons, and he alone could keep us safe if we chose to bow down and follow him. You have to take up himself from his cloak and cry now, and see how well you do without me. The rooftop suddenly burst into flames, and from it, armored dragons descended, burning the hall to the ground.
Watch what you doing. Oh, look who's here! The Mother of Dragons! Can I know you?
Well, I'm at yourself.
All this time you took after me. And where was I? I'm so sorry, Hiccup. We start over? You give me a chance.
Born of cold and winter air and mountain rain combining, this icy force both foul and fair has a frozen harbor lining. So cut through the heart, cold and clear, strike for love and strike for fear. See the beauty sharp and clear, split the eyes apart and break the floor.
I got deported.
Little Maui's having trouble with his lip. You little Sammy dummy mini god. Ouch, what a terrible performance. Get the hook. Get it. You don't swing it like you used to, man.
Look, this is Berk, son. I'm proud to call you my son. I have to die before we have that dancing. Hook up!
May the Valkyries welcome you and lead you through Odin's great battlefield. May they sing your name with love and fury, so that we might hear it rise from the depths of Valhalla, and know that you've taken your rightful place at the table of kings. For a great man has fallen. A warrior, a chieftain, a father, a friend.
I'm sorry, Dad. I'm not the chief that you wanted me to be. I'm not the peacekeeper I thought I was. I'm young Paul. I was so afraid of becoming my dad.
I can't kill dragons.
Mostly because I thought I never could.
There's no greater gift than love.
It wasn't your fault, but they made you do it. You'd never hurt him. You'd never hurt me.
How are you doing that?
Please, you are my best friend, bud. My best friend.
Attaboy, that's it. I'm here.
It feels like we're oceans apart.
Almost there, buddy. Almost there.
We need to get those two apart. Walk him out to this. You trust me. We can do this. You and me. Let's walk. That's it. Now let's try this one more time. Go get him. Take control of it. Shut it out, Toothless. Stop it now. It's all over now.
Or is it?
No!
He's challenging the Alpha to protect you.
No! Fight back! Fight!
Now do you get it? This is what it is to earn a dragon's loyalty. Let this end now.
Never! Come on!
That's what you say. Somebody will decide it. When I think of tomorrow, there you are. We'll be okay. I'm handling just decided. You must not have things like there you are.
Americans in dragon. 100 what? Americans. What is that? Dad used to talk about an old mariner's myth of a secret land in the edge of the world,
Never to be seen again. But those sailors who turned back told tales of a great waterfall and dragons guarding the entrance to a hidden world.
Well, sailors are known for tall tales.
True. What if it's real? It could be the answer to all of our problems.
How? By moving the dragons there?
All of us.
I am the Night Fury Killer. I've hunted every last one but yours. You are going to give me the dragon.
I will never give him up. You think you can come into my home, sit in my father's chair, and threaten my dragon? This is Burke, and we have defended our way of life from far worse than you.
Oh, a fighting spirit. I love it. Only, I'm afraid you're mistaken. You've never seen anything like me.
Sister, I heard you got her degree.
On the edge of the night, staying drunk and alive. The angels up in the clouds, I'm jealous, no one thought. Something so wild, when you're ordinary. You got me kissing the ground, when you sanctuary. Shadow me with your touch, will love me, turn me to dust. The angels up in the clouds, I'm jealous, no one thought.
Dad used to talk about an old mariner's myth of a secret land at the edge of the world where dragons live totally out of reach.
Well, sailors are known for tall tales.
True. What if it's real?
Now that's a king.
Speed unknown, size unknown. The unholy offspring of lightning and death itself. Never engage this dragon. Our only chance is to hide. Wait, Grimlock, what? So dumb. Good. See, everyone thinks it's more annoying, but Ruffka, focus. Where you fall. But Ruffka, focus. Where you fall. I know that kick. Do it. Save him.
Consuming all the air inside my lungs, ripping all the skin from off my bones. I'm prepared to sacrifice my life. I'm glad to do it right.
Save him.
Oh, please have mercy on me. Take it easy on my heart, even though you're trying to hurt me. You keep tearing me apart.
The trust and the leaves, the island gives us what we need.
That's what you say. Wishing like people provided. When I think of tomorrow, there we are. We'll be okay. I'm trying to learn just decided. We must not get fingers like ready are.
Scary idea. One of our dragons might just one day go back to the wild. You'd never do that to me, would you, bud? I didn't think so. I'll do this. No.
Can't hear me like that. Can't hear me like that.
I'm still learning about life. My woman brought children for me, so I can sing them all my songs and I can tell them stories. Most of my boys are with me, some are still out seeking glory, and some I had to leave behind. My brother, I'm still happy. Soon I'll be 60 years old. My daddy got 61. Remember life, and then your life becomes a better one. I made a man so happy when no the little ones. I hope my children come and visit once or twice a month. Soon I'll be 60 years old.
What if people said this is me?
Sleep so I can see you, but I hate to wait so long. Sleep so I can see you, and I hate to wait so long.
I know that you love me. You don't need to remind me. Put it all behind me. Baby, I can see her in the back of my mind all the time.
When we were young, we were the ones that kings and queens. Oh yeah, we rule the world. We smoke cigarettes, man, no regrets. Wish I could relive every single word. We've taken different paths, traveled different roads. I know we'll always end up on the same one when we're old.
Remember me?
In the trenches and you're under fire, I would conquer you. If I was dying on my knees, you'd be the one